Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who enjoys flawless nails and perfectly manicured hands, today's review is something you won't want to miss. We're diving into the Tweezerman Cuticle Scissors, a tool that promises precision and control in one sleek design. Now, let's get into the details. The Tweezerman Cuticle Scissors are all about efficiency and precision. Designed specifically for trimming cuticles and hangnails, these scissors feature ergonomic handles that promise a comfortable and controlled grip, giving you the ability to cut with ease. The tips are precision pointed, which means they're made to tackle even the tiniest of cuticles without causing any damage to the surrounding skin. Made from durable stainless steel, these scissors are not only built to last, but are also incredibly easy to clean. The high-quality material means that they won't rust or dull over time, and they're easy to wipe down after each use, ensuring a hygienic experience every time you use them. I've been using these scissors for a while now, and I can tell you that they fit seamlessly into my manicure routine. The ergonomics of the handles are spot on, there's no strain on my hands, and I feel completely in control while trimming. It makes precision trimming much easier compared to standard cuticle tools. Real talk, these scissors really shine when it comes to cutting hangnails. I've had my fair share of painful snags, but these scissors make the whole process pain-free. The pointed tips give me that exactness I need, and the stainless steel doesn't lose its sharpness even after multiple uses. The only downside I noticed was that they can feel a little stiff when first using them. However, with a drop of oil on the joint, they loosen up pretty quickly and work like a charm. Let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. The ergonomic design is definitely a big win. Comfort and control make all the difference. The stainless steel construction is solid, durable, and easy to clean, which speaks to the high quality of the product. These scissors do exactly what they're supposed to do with pinpoint precision, and I love how hygienic they are. On the flip side, one con is the stiffness when you first use them, but as I mentioned, that's easily remedied with a drop of oil. The price point is also something to consider. While they're not the cheapest option on the market, the durability and precision do make them a worthwhile investment for those who take their manicure game seriously. Speaking of alternatives, you might find that there are a few cuticle scissors out there that offer a similar design and function, but in terms of quality, Tweezerman really stands out. If you're looking for something more affordable, there are other brands, but you might sacrifice some of the precision and durability that Tweezerman brings to the table. As far as build quality goes, these scissors are top-notch. The stainless steel body not only ensures they last, but also makes them easy to maintain, which is crucial for a product that's in direct contact with your nails. The design feels sturdy, and I haven't had any issues with them losing sharpness or function over time. So, are these cuticle scissors worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. The precision, durability, and comfort they offer make them a great choice for anyone serious about nail care. If you're willing to invest in quality tools that will last and perform well, the Tweezerman Cuticle Scissors are definitely a product to consider. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the Tweezerman Cuticle Scissors or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. Let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.